Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So today we're opening up the Glossybox for October, and I honestly have not looked at any spoilers or watched any other videos, so I'm not sure what's coming in it. Before we talk a little bit more about Glossybox and get into the unboxing, I just want to remind you all, I think we have like 4 giveaways or something like that going on in our channel. I will link those all down below in case you have not yet entered. But now back to Glossybox. So Glossybox is a beauty subscription that costs $21 per month. It always comes in an outer box, but inside that box, this is what is inside. And this is like a really sturdy box that you can reuse or repurpose if you want to. You get mostly deluxe size items, but you do get some full size items as well. And usually they do have a theme, so let's unbox it and see what the theme is. So when you open it up, this is what the inside of the box looks like, so that's really cute. There's like a little note on top, so this goes over the products, and then all the actual products are wrapped up in tissue paper. So let's see what the theme is. It says, grab your lattes, Glossies. So I think it's like a fall theme. So it says, fall brings out the cardigans and pumpkin spice in all of us. However, with the seasons changing, you should also follow suit with your regimen. Chillier weather is here. Not where I live. It's like 90. So we need to give our skin the rest and preparation it needs for the perfect autumn glow. This month's box is for the calm me time you need to repair from the summer heat and prep for the upcoming winter with rejuvenation and hydration in mind. Because between skin concerns and skin solutions is you, and we're here to help. XOXO, the Glossybox team. And then it looks like there's a little thing here that's telling about how they have their advent calendar. I think that was just launched. I love advent calendars, but I just can't get into that mindset yet. It's October. I know like December's not that far away yet, but yeah, can't think about that yet. But on the other side, there's pictures of everything and a little bit of information, so I can't help but kind of peek right now. It looks like there's some interesting things. We will see. So let's get that tissue paper open and sneak peek. This is what it looks like. So it looks like there's 2 things by the same line, so let's grab these out first. This is by John Masters Organics. Oh good, at first I thought it was gonna be like a shampoo and conditioner, and I feel like we just got those. But these are actually body products. So one is the geranium and grapefruit body wash. That sounds really good. And then in the same, it's like geranium and grapefruit body milk. So I think that's like a lotion. So let's smell it. It smells good. Very fresh and like citrusy, but not too strong. So the featured size, it says you get 2 of the 60 mLs. That's just 2, yeah, they're both 2 fluid ounces, 60 mL. So these are good for travel, which I'm planning to do soon. Hopefully I'll fill you guys in if I do. And it says the full size value is $48. So I'm assuming the full size is a lot bigger than this. These are perfect travel size. So it says, just because summer is gone doesn't mean you can't smell like the season. With geranium flower to soothe and tone and grapefruit to help balance and refresh, this body care duo will lock in that summer glow even when the temperature drops. Okay. Next up, something by Skin & Co. I have a spray, it smells like peppermint. It's like a hydrating spray. I think we got in BoxyCharm, and I like that. I've never tried anything else, but this is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Face Gommage? How do you say that word? It says this is the featured size is 30 mL, the full size is $28. So it says a delicate exfoliating cream. This face gommage, I don't know that word, features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and a unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract. A powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging. So I do love to exfoliate. I think that's really important, so I'm happy to get this. And again, this is like a travel size. So it's 1 fluid ounce or 30 mL, so this is what the actual packaging looks like. So I'm excited to try this out because, like I said, I do like the other item in their line that I have. And then we have something by -417, or is it just 417? Oh, it's called -417, not negative. -417 Time Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. Okay, so this is 20 mLs, the full size would be $39. It says this dual action 2-in-1 exfoliating and nourishing mud mask is based on a unique blend of rich Dead Sea mud that deeply cleanses skin, absorbs excess oil and all traces of impurities. So while your skin is gently exfoliated, your skin's dead cells are buffed away and your fresh skin is nourished. Okay, I rarely use mud masks. I mentioned this kind of often. I prefer sheet masks and stuff like that, but I'll try it out. Or maybe it'll be in a future giveaway. Who knows with me. Next up we have some little itty bitty box. This is by Illamasqua. This is a Hydroveil Rehydrating Gel. I have a few makeup items by Illamasqua. I have 2 lip liners and lipstick maybe? Oh my god, this is so cute. Just a little jar. So what is this? It's a gel, hydrator, and primer all in one. Say hello to smoother skin with a self-leveling, futuristic clear gel. Microalgae, vitamin C, and B3 work together to help maintain the skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy-looking, balanced finish. This would be good for travel if it works. So there is like a little safety seal on it. Let's see if it's actually full the way. Oh wow, no, it's definitely not full the way. Look, there's like that big hole, like it was probably sitting on its side. Can you guys see that? So it's not all the way full, which is kind of a bummer. Like would that even last like 4 days, you think, on a little mini vacay? I don't know, we'll have to try it out though. So yeah, it's kind of deceiving. I mean, it's not even deceiving because this is tiny, but moving on. This might be like the one full-size item in here. This is by Bella Pure Cosmetics, the Pro Concealer Palette. So I think this is like a color correcting palette based on the picture that's inside here. And it says this is full size and it's $50. Bella Pure is so overpriced, I think. We've gotten Bella Pure in a lot of different subscription boxes. I've never actually gotten this item, but $50, like all of their stuff is like ranges like that. So yep, it's a color correcting palette. Green is great for redness, and then they have like a peachy tone, which I think is good for under your eyes for like canceling out purple, and then they just have like a regular concealer shade, and there is a mirror. So it says, color correcting is a well-known makeup artist tactic to banish imperfection through use of colors that cancel each other out. And with this palette of color correcting concealer, you can say goodbye to imperfections till your nighttime routine. Okay, yeah, so that was everything. This box is just like okay to me, honestly. For $21, like I know BoxyCharm's going up in price from $21 to $25, but I'm so used to getting like full-size items for a $21 box. So what's my favorite thing? I mean, I'll try out this. I do have a lot of redness on my face. If you watch any of my Get Ready With Me videos, you guys know that. So I'll definitely try out the green. I don't really have dark under eyes, but I'm definitely puffy. I wonder if I'll try that out and see if it helps. Let's swatch that like actual concealer shade and see if that would be a good match. I think that would be just good for like brightening, because it's even like a little light for me, if you guys can see, so maybe that's what the lightest shade is for. So yeah, I'm definitely curious to try this out. So this was the one full-size item we got, the Bella Pure. Definitely overpriced. Like everything. Like it's not like their products are bad, but they mark them up a lot. We got the little Illamasqua, like all-in-one, like the hydrator and a primer. Like I'm really excited to try it out, but it's kind of a bummer, like seriously, it's not really full at all. And it's small. The full size would be $35. Did I say that before? So this is only 7 mLs. I don't know, whatever. I am excited about this John Masters Organic Duo. I've never used anything from this line. I'm not even sure if I've heard of John Masters Organics, but I'll definitely try these out, the body wash and this body milk. So yeah, okay, so it is like a lotion. At first I wasn't sure if this is liquid. So I'm gonna try a little bit of this. I don't know why I just twisted it off. It's like, you can just put some in your hands. There weren't safety seals on it, but whatever. Those are definitely full to the rim too. So I'm gonna try the body milk right now. Yeah, it's a very light scent, but I like it. I think I definitely will, if I do end up going to New York next week, bring these with me because it smells good. So I mean, like, it's just perfect timing for me to get this stuff in there. So it does smell good. And I do like exfoliating my face, so I will definitely try out the Skin & Co product. And this is, I mean, 1 fluid ounce, and you only need a little bit to exfoliate, so that's good. And like mud masks just don't excite me. Like I said, I'm a sheet mask fan, so yeah, this box is like okay. And I can show you the sheet a little bit closer now that I was trying to avoid the sneak peek. So I do like the handout they give, or the handout, whatever you would call this little pamphlet with information that they give you. And I'm glad that they're being honest about like featured size and full size, because in past boxes in these sheets, it'll tell the feature size and then it'll say feature size value or something like, and it kind of just, but it really was giving you the full size. So yeah. Glossybox, it's good, but it's not like amazing. It's not like the most exciting box in the world, but you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Of course, I'm gonna link Glossybox. If there's any like codes going around or anything on their website or any deals, usually they have some kind of deal going on, but I'll leave that down below as well. And again, all of my giveaways will be down there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing. I love you guys so much and really appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. But anyways, have an amazing day and I will see you in my next one. Bye!